How have you been?
I've been good, thanks. How about you?
What are you doing this weekend?
I might go hiking. Do you want to come?
Have you watched any good movies lately?
Yes, I watched a great action movie last night. You should watch it too.
Do you like cooking?
Not really, but I love eating good food.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like pop music, but I also enjoy some jazz.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball. What about you?
Where do you want to travel next?
I really want to visit Japan. It's on my bucket list.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. How about you?
What's your favorite season?
I love summer. I enjoy going to the beach.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I love reading mystery novels.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas. I love the decorations and the family time.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee. It helps me wake up in the morning.
How do you usually spend your evenings?
I usually watch TV or read a book.
Are you a morning person?
Not at all. I prefer staying up late.
Do you like going to the gym?
I don't love it, but it makes me feel good afterwards.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. What's yours?
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedies. They always cheer me up.
Are you learning anything new right now?
Yes, I'm trying to learn how to play guitar.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Absolutely. I love seeing new places.
How do you relax after a long day?
I usually take a long bath and listen to music.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy trying out new recipes.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, but not too spicy. Just a little bit.
What's your dream job?
I'd love to be a travel photographer.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, but only when I'm in the mood for it.
What's your favorite TV show?
I love Friends. I can watch it over and over again.
Do you like video games?
Not really, but I play sometimes with friends.
What's your favorite way to exercise?
I like jogging in the park.
Are you afraid of heights?
A little bit. I don't like being on high buildings.
Do you like the beach or the mountains more?
I prefer the beach. It's so relaxing.
What's your favorite color?
I love blue. It's so calming.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, especially at parties.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 7 a.m. How about you?
What's your favorite drink?
I love fresh orange juice.
Do you enjoy working out?
Yes, it makes me feel good, though it can be hard sometimes.
What's your favorite hobby?
I love painting. It helps me relax.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals, especially dogs.
What kind of books do you like?
I like science fiction and mystery.
Do you like your job?
Yes, but sometimes it can be stressful.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to France and Italy.
What's your favorite city?
I love New York City. It's so lively.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, but only when I'm alone.
Are you into fashion?
Not really, but I like to dress nicely.
Do you like watching sports?
Yes, I love watching soccer.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny days with a light breeze.
Do you like to draw or paint?
Yes, I enjoy drawing a lot.
Do you play any instruments?
I'm learning the piano. It's challenging but fun.
What's your biggest fear?
I'm scared of spiders.
Do you like parties?
Yes, but I prefer small gatherings with friends.
Are you a good swimmer?
Not really, but I can swim enough to stay afloat.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, it's very relaxing.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I love mint chocolate chip.
Do you prefer watching movies at home or at the theater?
I prefer watching them at home.
Do you have any bad habits?
I bite my nails sometimes.
Do you like camping?
Yes, I love spending time in nature.
Do you believe in aliens?
I think it's possible. The universe is so big.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I loved history.
Do you like sushi?
Yes, it's one of my favorite foods.
What's your favorite flower?
I love roses.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, as long as they're good surprises.
Have you ever gone skiing?
No, but I'd like to try.
What's your favorite thing about your hometown?
I love the food there.
Do you enjoy photography?
Yes, I love taking photos of nature.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, but not too spicy.
Have you ever been on a road trip?
Yes, I went on one last summer. It was so much fun.
Do you like amusement parks?
Yes, especially roller coasters.
What's your favorite type of fruit?
I love mangoes.
Do you like to bake?
Yes, especially cakes and cookies.
What's your favorite way to relax?
I like listening to music and taking a walk.
Do you like to swim in the ocean?
Yes, I love the feeling of the waves.
What's your favorite board game?
I like playing Monopoly.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I find it very relaxing.
What's your favorite snack?
I love potato chips.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer summer because I like the warmth.
Do you like art museums?
Yes, they're very interesting.
What's your favorite kind of weather?
I like sunny days that are not too hot.
Do you like to go hiking?
Yes, I love being out in nature.
What's your favorite beverage?
I love iced tea.
Are you scared of flying?
Not really, but I do get a bit nervous sometimes.
Do you like spending time outdoors?
Yes, especially when the weather is nice.
What's your favorite kind of cake?
I love cheesecake.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Sometimes, but I don't like crowded stores.
Do you like the rain?
Yes, I think it's calming.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I love live music.
Do you like reading poetry?
Yes, I find it very inspiring.
What's your favorite fast food?
I like burgers and fries.
Do you like to sleep in?
Yes, especially on weekends.
What's your favorite breakfast food?
I love pancakes.
Do you like horror movies?
Not really, they scare me too much.
Do you like to watch documentaries?
Yes, I love learning new things.
What's your favorite hobby?
I like to knit.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like a little kick in my food.
Do you enjoy the snow?
Yes, I love how beautiful it looks.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love all kinds of animals.
What's your dream vacation destination?
I'd love to go to Hawaii.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I enjoy writing stories and poems.
What's your favorite time of day?
I love evenings when I can relax.
Do you like to meditate?
Yes, it helps me stay calm and focused.
What's one thing you couldn't live without?
My phone, I think. It keeps me connected.